So today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove a bezel insert from our Maritimer watch. This is something that we do for custom requests for customers, and we have a variety of bezel inserts, but realistically, if you have an idea of what you want to replace this all black one with, we can do it for you. It just will take longer for you to get your watch because we have to order the bezel. But here's an easy way that we go about it. So to start, what we do is we dip the Maritimer face down in a solution of grip solvent. The grip solvent over the course of a day will actually eat away at the tape that is underneath the bezel insert, and it leaves no scratches or any damage or residue to the watch. We then, once that's done, we remove the bezel insert, and then we clean it up with a plastic trim tool just to remove anything that's left, as well as some good old-fashioned water and towels, just to make sure that this comes out and it's a good surface to put another bezel in. During this process, we screw down the crown, of course, to make sure that no moisture gets inside the watch at all. And then we're very careful, of course, about exposing it to water around the bezel itself. I also spend time we remove the plastic around the bracelet, just because that's going to shrivel up from the grip solvent, so we take that off. But then when this gets cleaned up, we then put the tape down on the bezel insert itself, and then we will center it and add it to the watch. Be right back. And so here we have it. I just put the bezel on. I lined up the 12 o'clock, so it's dead on as we want it to be. I'm going to clean this off a little bit for some of the tape residue. As you can see, it's still a little sticky. So I'm going to clean that off, but just apply some pressure, make sure everything's moving the way it should. But it looks like this is ready to go to the customer. The all blue look is something that they wanted, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Blacked out blue bezel is always a good look. I'm a little partial to it, if you can't tell, with some of my other watches. If you want to do a custom bezel insert on your Maritimer, very easy way of doing this. It takes maybe just sitting in the solution for a day or so for it to work itself loose, and then you're able to remove it just by twisting it off. And then, like I said, use the plastic trim tool so you don't scratch anything, and then just take off the residue and clean the surface, prep it, and then put on the new bezel. And as long as you have the sizes correct, it's very easy. If you're interested in that Maritimer or any of our other watches, check us out at lawtrain.com and give us a follow here on TikTok. Talk to you soon.